kickstart this baby. We're gonna kickstart this. What year is this thing, sir?
1939.
Wow. We just fueled it up. Can he start it? This is how you used to have to do it, kids. No electric start back in the day. Oh man. Let's hope it fires up for him.
That's a really nice bike.
Oh boy.